Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Now that you've configured your Infraspeak, it's time to head on over to the Analytics tab, run some reports, and analyze those KPIs. Together, let's have a look at your preventive indicators. Once you're in the Analytics tab, you're able to analyze and track your team's performance. For example, click on the Users section, start by using the main filters to choose your user, and select the date interval you want to analyze. The indicators will let you do even more tracking and managing with your technicians and users. Here you'll be able to access and filter data by status, type of job, who started the job, etc. So all the KPIs that matter the most can be in the front and clear. Okay, so let's choose the filters you want to apply to analyze your users. Once your filters are applied, click on the refresh button to reload your data. Within the analytics model, you also have the possibility to group your information according to different criteria and according to your needs. Now that your data is ready to be exported, click on the export data icon so that you can view your exported spreadsheet for a deeper analysis. In a rush? Not a problem. Grab your reports on the go. You can easily and quickly access your reports and fly without applying any filters at all. Once in the Analytics tab, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find Reports and Exports. And here, you can, for example, click on the User Activity Report to get a default report on your technician or your users. Just select your user and the date range, and within seconds, you'll have a PDF report on your user with his daily activity and some relevant indicators, such as work orders reported, work orders closed, planned jobs closed, and tasks performed. And that's it. At the end of the day, you want to have as much information as possible into what, who, and how it's going on. Analytics are critical to ensure the success of your business and perfect for overseeing high-level overview of everything that is happening within your team. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description below. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episodes and keep watching. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.